Alright, so this is what we do after each house. You can do it right away before you go to, before you put a vacuum cleaner into the car, or before you go in another house. So you just, there has to be on this container has to be clean. So this is how you unclick. These are two things. Take this container. You have a plastic bag. It's a one person job. It's not to be going here, and all you do is open these things. When you open, very simple. Okay. So I will open it. So, but not always everything goes out. So you have to kind of like pull up with your hand. Whatever left, especially hairs. So it's good to have gloves. Another most important part is the top. When you open this one, you see, this is very important. So you will just really have to. Alright. So this thingy here it has to be clean. If this is not clean, it's like screen or whatever it is, like. You have to clean it. This is what you do with it each every time. Another thing is, when you once in a while, like every second day or every third day, depends on how dirty this one. This filter has to be clean, and you simply rinse it with water, and then have to dry it. So it's something like you do at home. So you will take the vacuum cleaner, you will take this foam, rinse it, and it doesn't have to be every second day, once a week, and it would depend on it. If it's really like both of them. Another option is that you will vacuum it from both sides, from the edge, with another vacuum, and it's faster way. You don't have to wait to dry. It's much better. So this filter is very important to keep dry. You cannot put it wet. So once you will wash it, you make sure it's going to be next day dry. If you're not sure, then don't do that. That's the deal. So this filter, so that's how you put it back. It has to be click, yeah, and then you put it this one, and that's pretty much everything about what you have to do on this vacuum. This is HEPA filter. You don't have to take care of this. This is perfect. Just one. Clean the container. And once in a while, like maybe once a week, clean this filter, the foam. And of course, you have this trash bag in the car, so each time you load it just for this trash, make sure you close it, otherwise you will be breathing dust in your car. And once it's full, you can empty it. Good.